everyone and welcome back to Pably. What if I tell you that you can send 5,000 plus emails at once without getting blocked or spammed using this amazing setup that I will teach you in this video. With the help of an amazing tool, Pably Email Marketing, you can send bulk emails to 5,000 plus customers or leads at once. Yes, this all is possible using Pably Email Marketing tool. Now, with the help of this, you can promote your business or the sale that you have. You can send wishes related to festivals. You can promote your business as well. Okay, so now without wasting any further time, let's dive into the process of how you can create an amazing email campaign like this without need of any coding and programming skills using this amazing tool. Over here, in order to access Pably Email Marketing, search for pably.com/email marketing on a new tab and you will come to this landing page. Now if you're a new user, you're logging in for the first time, sign up for free from here, with the help of which you will get some 100 tasks with the help of which you can check out and try this email campaign creation right away. Okay, I'm already a user, so I will sign in from here. After signing in, you will come to the All Pably apps section. As I want to use Pably Email Marketing, I'm going to click on this Access Now button. Over here, we have introduced new features of Pably Email Marketing. That is why we are going to select the version new beta from here. Okay, you also need to select the new beta method version of Pably Email Marketing. Now, as soon as you will do that, you will come to the dashboard of Pably Email Marketing. Now, if you want to learn how you can add your business inside Pably Email Marketing, how Pably Email Marketing is, what all the features are and how the features work, I've added all the video links in the description section below, with the help of which you can learn about Pably Email Marketing in brief. Okay, now in order to send 5,000 plus emails, you need to purchase our Pably Email Marketing plan. And if you are purchasing any of our plans and you want a secret coupon code, for that you can check out the code I've added on the left side of my screen, with the help of which you will get instant discounts on the purchase. Go and purchase the plan. You will get the subscribers quota right over here, with the help of which you can send the emails to your subscribers, to your customers or leads in order to promote your business. Okay, purchase the plan. You will come to this page. You can test out also, like you will get some 100 tasks to test out. You can also test this campaign first, check how it works, and then purchase our plans to automate your email marketing system inside your business. Okay, in order to create the campaign, go towards the campaign section right here. After coming to the campaign section, click on this create email button. Now after that, firstly we need to select our campaign type. I will create the regular campaign. If you want, you can select the API or workflow campaign also. Okay, now we have to name the campaign. We have to enter the from name, subject and the pre-header. So I'm going to enter all the details right now. My campaign name is New Promotional Campaign Natural Glow Skincare. From name is Natural Glow Skincare Team. Subject is Glow Naturally This Season. Exclusive skincare offers insight. And the pre-header is Hydrate, Nourish and Glow with Natural Glow Skincare. Special offer for you. You will see the live preview of all the details that you're entering right now. On the right side, you can see right here. This is how it is going to look like. Okay, I'm going to click on this continue button next. Now it is asking for us to select their template. There are some pre-created template you can see right over here that you can select according to your requirement, but I will create the template from scratch from here. There are 3 email builders: drag and drop builder, rich text editor, custom HTML editor. If you want to learn about each and every email builder in brief, you can check out the video I've added in the description section below, where we have taught you about each and every type of builder one by one. I will be using the drag and drop builder right over here. Okay, after selecting this, you will come to the interface of drag and drop. Now first I want to add the header. So from the sections, I'll drag and drop the header. After adding the header, I want to add the title, then I want to add the image, then I want to add the text. After the text, I want a button. After the button, I want my socials, my social media. So I'll drag and drop it right here. Okay, so now this is how my email campaign is going to look like. This is the main body. Now we'll edit the things right here. I want to change the logo, so I'm going to click on this button. I've already uploaded my logo right here. Click on this upload file button. Click over here, upload the file from your system, and the file should be 500 KB only. Okay, so now upload it and then upload the files, and it will upload like this. I will select this logo over here and upload it. Now next it is asking for the title. Now for the title over here, I will write it as Reveal Your Natural Glow. Okay, if you want, you can change the size, the text, you can change everything from here, from this section. I want to leave it like this, so I'll skip this title editing. Okay, for the image, I've already uploaded this image, so I will insert it right here, 500 KB, remember that. Okay, now for the text over here, I will write it as, so you can see this is the text I have written. Discover the secret of healthy radiant skin with Natural Glow Skincare. Our products are carefully crafted with natural ingredients that nourish, hydrate and protect your skin. Why choose Natural Glow Skincare are the pointers. Give your skin the care it deserves. Experience the natural glow you have always wanted. You can see this is my body right here of the email. Now I will edit this button. Firstly, I want to edit the name of this button right here, for which I will write it as Shop Natural Glow Now. Okay, now over here for the link for the test, I will be adding the Pabbly email marketing link only. You have to add your website link right here. Next, for the socials, if you have your own social media, Facebook account, Twitter account, Instagram account and LinkedIn profile, you can enter all the links one by one like this. Let's suppose I don't want Twitter, so I will remove it from here. Okay, so now if you want to add in more, you can also add, like I want to add WhatsApp, so I can add that to my list and add my link right here. Okay, so now I have edited the things. Remember that you can see this footer over here in the bottom. This is a permanent footer that will always be there. All the emails that you share using Pabbly email marketing will have a footer like this. Your business details, website, everything will be entered like this right here. It is mandatory to add the footer like this with all the emails for all the businesses. You cannot remove it. Okay, so now I have added all the things that I wanted. Now if you want to save this template right over here, let's suppose I can use this template later on with other details as well, so I can save the template from here directly. I don't want that, so I'll skip the part, but you can also save this template and it will be saved inside your template section right here. Now I'm going to click on this send button. After I do that, automatically you will come to this final send campaign page, okay, where we are going to confirm few details. Campaign name, this was the name, this is the subject and this is the pre-header. Okay, if you want, you can add in a variable on your subject as well. All the variables are right here. This is the name, Natural Glow Skincare Team. Now we have to select the delivery server with the help of which the emails are going to be forwarded. In order to learn how you can add your own delivery server, the video link is added in the description section below. In settings, you can find how you can add your own delivery server inside Pabbly email marketing. Go and check it out. Okay, now over here for the delivery server, I've already created one, so I will select the details over here. After selecting that, it is asking for the recipient details to whom you want to send the email campaign to. You have to select your subscribers. In the subscribers list section, if I'll open it on a new tab, you can create a list according to your requirement inside Pabbly email marketing. I have created a list over here in the name of new subscribers. You can see right over here, in which I've added 15 subscribers, you can see. Okay, so now over here you can also create a list from this plus section, and in that list you can add your subscribers to whom you want to send the email campaign to, and select that list over here in this section. I will select it, click on this tick mark and confirm the list. So in this manner you can add in other list, like if you have created multiple other lists, like let's suppose I will select it, I can select that list also like this. You can select multiple list. Okay, I want to select the new subscribers list only. You can select that, and let's suppose you have not added some subscribers inside list, you want to send the emails individually, so you can add the individual email addresses right over here as well. 200 is the limit of email addresses that you can enter in this field manually. So let's suppose I will enter this email address right over here, that is test9987 6@pabblytunes.com. Press the enter key to save it. This is how you can add 200 other individual email addresses. Okay, now after that, send or save campaign. If you want that, you just want to save this campaign right away, you don't want to send it at the same point, you can save the draft from here. Let's suppose I want to send this campaign tomorrow. Okay, so what I can do is I'm going to click on this calendar button and I will select tomorrow's date. I will select the particular time where I want to send this campaign, click on this OK button, and on the selected date and time this campaign is going to be scheduled. Okay, and if you want to send this campaign instantly, you can select the option of send now and send the email campaign from here directly. Now it is going to ask for the final details. Yes, all the details are here. If you want, you can preview the email campaign that will be forwarded towards all your subscribers from the preview button. This is how it is going to look like. It looks all good. I can send the email campaign from here directly. As soon as I will do that, the status currently is shown as sending to all subscribers one by one. This email campaign is forwarding. It says sending. You can stop the sending from here directly as well. Let the status be completed as send like this, and then I'll show you the campaign that has been forwarded towards my subscribers. Okay, so I will let the status be updated. As now the status has been updated as sent, you can see right over here. If I will open my Gmail account, you can see I have received the campaign email successfully. You can see this is the same exact campaign and I've received all the emails right here. The campaign has now been forwarded. You can view the detailed report over here directly from the view report option that has been given next to the name of the campaign. With that, you can see the stats of the campaign from here directly as well. Okay. So now the campaign has been forwarded. This how, not to just the small amount of people that I have forwarded the campaign to. You can send the email campaigns to 5,000 plus subscribers at once using Pabbly email marketing. So what are you waiting for? Go and create your campaign and send and promote your business. Okay. So if you have questions or doubts, comment down below and I will resolve all your queries. This was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.